So you see we're going to go to the right hand side to get round to the steps, and also to get via motorbike. You can go to the left side, but it's not as good. You have to go through a highway, through traffic lights, and up a windy road, which is dangerous, so it's better not to go that way. This is the way to go. And this takes us all the way down and it's quite scenic. And now what we're going to do is go to the lighthouse at the end, and then just stop with the bike, and then I'll show you the steps, and we can go up the steps to the left hand side. So this is where we are now. Right, here we are. That's the lighthouse, and to the left there, that is the steps leading up to the viewing platform. Now, being a sado, on the way down I counted the steps and the bottom section, just the bottom section is 140 steps. So we go up here, and then there's a platform, a small viewing platform halfway up, and then you have to continue up again, more steps and more brick road and everything, until eventually you'll get it takes about half an hour, I would think, to walk up. It's quite a long way, but if you're fit it's okay. If you're not fit, I wouldn't bother. I'd check the motorbike. So I'll continue up here. You also, when we get partway up, you'll see us great views, really good views from up here. Here we are walking up the yellow and pink brick road, and this is the view. The first view you'll come across. That's Koh Lan Island to the left there. And there's a little fishing boat going out, and that's the view right across the bay. Beautiful. Really nice. Pleasant day today, not too hot. And there is the brick road. We have to go up, and we continue up there, and then we get more steps, then we get more brick road, and then more steps. So if you want to walk, this is the way you walk. And then you've got all those steps in front up there, and then you've got more steps, and then more paved section. Okay, now then, I'm going to drop back down to the lighthouse and continue riding on the bike. The road runs round to the left side, and it runs all the way around the hill. That little square hut to the right there used to be a cafe, and I have tables outside, and then there was another little cafe and restaurant used to be there as well, but both of them have wrapped up maybe a couple of years ago now. Shame, because it was a lovely place to sit and have a coffee. As we get up the hill, the road runs to the right, and we will branch off slightly to the left. Oh, we just have a quick look at the view here. Lovely. So, as I said, the main road runs to the right there, which goes up to the hotels, but we're going to go off to the left up the hill. This takes us up to behind the sign itself. The other thing I meant to mention while we're up here is there are probably maybe a dozen street dogs, soy dogs, whatever you want to call them, who live up here. There's one of them to the left on the pathway, and there's another one behind. Yeah, but they seem to be fairly harmless. I've never had a problem with them. I've heard some people have, but I have never had a problem with them. And they've always been sort of ignored you, or been actually frightened of you or anything. So anyway, we'll pull in. I brought some snacks, little chew snacks with me, which I'll see if they're interested in. So we're here now. There's one dog. We'll see if you can find any more and see if they enjoy these chew snacks that I brought for them. So we'll have a wander around. Look, they usually hang around under these benches in the shade, out of the sun. So we'll have a little look round for them, feed them, and then go down to the platform. Okay? Wonder if he'll like these. There are a few dogs here. You want? Here? 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 Try? Try? Here. Oh, leave it there. Okay? Leave it there. Okay? Right, aren't you? You want to try? Yes, you like that? Yes, you enjoy. Let's continue on our way. Hello, we have another little friend. You want one too? You want? Here, come on. You want? Here? There you are. Enjoy. Well, that was a success. They seem to enjoy it. Oh, that one missed out. So to the right here, this is where you go down the steps to the viewing platform. You'll see as we turn right, that's the back of the Y of Pattaya. So we'll come down here. So you're looking north there, and the tower to the left, the big one, that's Wangamat Tower. You've got the Centauri Mirage, you've got North Point Tower, and then those three black spires in the centre, that is the wooden temple of Sanctuary of Truth. Then you've got the Dusit Thani, you've got the Amaris there with the orange circle, and next to that the Holiday Inn, and you've got Siam, that's Centric Sea, and then you've got the Hilton Hotel, the View till A6, and you got that's Sardana, and then you've got the Royal Garden, and then you come down to Walking Street. This is the back of Walking Street, the beer garden, the King Seafood, Insomnia, everything. And this is the Ballyhigh Pier itself, which is normally heaving with people, but not today. And those two identical boats there, the white and blue catamaran, they are the boats which go the high-speed catamarans over to Hua Hin. They take 2 hours and 15 minutes to get over to Hua Hin or back. Very quick, much quicker than driving. Of course, they're passenger only. No motorbikes, no cars, no nothing like that, just people. So you're looking north now in the direction toward Bangkok. Right in the distance you can see the port of Luang Prabang. That's a seaport, the main seaport for Bangkok. And let's just see how good the zoom is on this Sony. Not bad at all. And that's about 12 miles from where we are now. And that's the cranes there for the containers and stuff like that for unloading the cargo ships. It also has passenger ships. There is a terminal there.